Brother, let me ask you something, and it might shock you. Did you know that 73% of men who get divorced say the exact same thing? I've tried everything and nothing worked. But here's what they didn't know, and what I'm about to show you right now. It's actually that they were trying to fix the wrong thing entirely. Now, you're probably wondering to yourself, who's this tattooed guy telling me about how to fix my marriage? All right, fair question. My name's Tim Arrigo, and over the past decade, I've helped thousands of men just like you discover the real reason that their relationships kept falling apart despite their best efforts. And more importantly, how to fix it for good. Now, if you've tried therapy, communication techniques, even marriage retreats, but you're still walking on eggshells, feeling unappreciated, or just watching her pull further away, then this is for you. And what I'm about to reveal will not only change everything, it will actually finally make sense of why nothing's worked so far. Because the real problem isn't what you think it is. You see, most men I work with go through the same 4 stages. Maybe you'll recognize yourself in one of them. Stage 1 is frustration and blame. You know there's a problem, but it's obviously her fault. You're working your ass off, providing for your family, staying faithful, so why is she always complaining, right? Why doesn't she appreciate anything you do? You think, if she would just be more grateful, more understanding, and more reasonable, then everything would be fine. Stage 2 is confusion and doubt. But the arguing gets worse. The distance grows. Your fixing isn't actually working. For the first time, you start wondering, what am I missing? Why is nothing I try working? You start searching online, reading relationship books, maybe even suggesting couples therapy. But you're still operating from the same broken playbook. Stage 3 is despair and self-blame. And this is where it gets dark. The threat of divorce becomes real. Maybe she's already moved out. Maybe she's told you that she's done. And suddenly all the external blame collapses inward. You think, it is me. I failed as a husband and a man. I'm fundamentally broken, and it might be too late to fix it. Now, here's something that's going to blow your mind. You ready for it? There's a reason she keeps blaming you for everything, and it's not what you think. See, deep down, and she'll never admit this, she knows something that you don't know yet. She knows that you're a problem solver. You're the action taker. You're the one who fixes things when they're broken. In her heart, she knows that if this marriage is going to be saved, you're the only one who can do it. But here's the painful truth. She's lost. She doesn't know how to fix this. She's secretly desperate, but she can't acknowledge that she's powerless to solve the very thing that matters most to her. So what does she do? She blames you. Because blaming you is easier than admitting she's helpless. It's easier than facing the terrifying reality that she doesn't have the tools to save her own marriage. And this is why the harder you try using the same old methods, the more frustrated she gets. Because every failed attempt reminds her that even you, her last hope, might not be able to figure this out. But what if I told you that you've been trying to fix the inside from the outside? And brother, that's like trying to fill a bucket that has holes in the bottom. And see, before I built a program that's helped hundreds of men turn their lives around, I was battling a cripple addiction myself and in a toxic marriage that ended in divorce. But then I rebuilt my life from the inside out. I confronted the self-sabotaging behaviors that were destroying my life and relationships. I became a licensed clinical counselor, and I spent over 20,000 clinical hours working with men on the edge, men battling addiction, isolation, emotional shutdown, and marital collapse. I've sat across from husbands who said, I love my wife, I just don't know how to talk to her anymore. I've worked with men who spent years building a successful business only to feel like a stranger to their own kids. I've met with men who had everything on paper, wife, kids, house, career, but still felt empty, angry, and alone on the inside. And all of them learned what I'm about to share with you right now. And it's that you've been approaching this completely backwards. See, real transformation, the kind that saves marriages and changes lives, works from the inside out. Your external world is nothing more than a reflection of your internal world. Those reoccurring patterns in your relationship, they're not random. They're being generated by what I call your inner operating system, the psychological programming that's been running your life since childhood. I mean, think about it. You can pour all the validation, all the achievements, and all the right behaviors into that bucket, but it all leaks out because the holes haven't been patched. No matter what you try, date nights, communication techniques, even therapy, nothing sticks because you're trying to fix the symptoms while the root system remains untouched. But here's the breakthrough that changes everything. See, when you upgrade your inner operating system, everything else changes naturally. This is the inside out method, and it's built on 3 essential domains that work together synergistically. The first is self-mastery, your emotional regulation, your identity, your internal patterns. The second is authentic connection, how you show up in relationships, your boundaries, your ability to create real intimacy. The third is compelling purpose, your deeper meaning, your values, alignment, the legacy that you're building. And when any of these 3 domains is missing or underdeveloped, the whole entire system becomes unstable. But when all 3 work together in harmony, that's when you experience what I call the transformed life, total alignment. It's where your success in business finally matches your success at home and on the inside. And here's the most beautiful part. When you transform from the inside out, she stops blaming you, because now you become the man who can actually solve this. And look, don't just take my word for it, brother. Listen to what some of our other clients have had to say for themselves.
Don't be skeptical. It's the real deal. This program and these group of brothers have changed my life forever. And just know whatever you're going through right now, you're not alone.
This has been an amazing experience. I'm still changing every day.
Beyond Driven, for me, has really saved me from myself, and it's changed my life in ways that I really thought were impossible.
But it requires work, and it requires dedication and honesty, and if you can give that, then the dividends will pay you.
Like, this program is designed to help with your marriage, but the big thing is to change yourself from within. For me, it's been life-changing.
Everybody has a very familiar pain, but different stories. So we can all be there for each other and support each other and learn to heal the different parts of ourselves.
And I had done therapy before, and it had not long-term fixed it for me. Then I did Beyond Driven, and the coaching, the calls just cut straight to the point, straight to the heart of so many matters in a way I've not found anywhere else.
It freed not only myself, but it freed all of the horrible feelings that I have about myself, and I could not be happier with Beyond Driven and my brothers that are in it.
Man, I wish I would have found this program a long time ago, because it's been such a blessing to my life. It's just totally changed the whole trajectory of who I am and where I'm going.
I think the most important thing that people can get out of this program is you get a brotherhood of brothers that support you. And that's something that you can take with you, these networks that you develop for the rest of your lives.
Deal with my childhood trauma, which I've been burying for 50 years. And I feel like I'm freeing myself from that, and so that I can be a better father, a better husband, be the man that I admire.
Now this brings me to why I created the Total Breakthrough Academy. This isn't just another program that teaches you what to say or how to act. This is a complete transformation of your inner operating system using our proven R.I.S.E framework, which stands for Realize, which is understanding yourself and your past patterns. Internalize, which is mastering the emotional and relational tools we provide. Shift, shaping your beliefs and building a new paradigm. And last, expand, sustaining growth and empowering others. In just 3 to 6 months, we'll help you transform your relationship into the bold, thriving marriage that you desire. We'll help you overcome the mental barriers holding you back from being your best self. And if you're not seeing results in that time frame, we'll keep working with you at no added cost until you do. That's how confident I am in this method. Here are the 3 key transformations that we guarantee here at Beyond Driven. First, we'll resolve your core relationship issues at the root. No more surface level band-aids. We'll help you identify, process, and resolve the root causes of friction. But more importantly, we'll empower you to develop these skills yourself so you're never dependent on anyone else again. Second, we'll help you rebuild intimacy, passion, and connection with your wife. What typically takes years through traditional approaches, we've been able to cut down to as little as 3 months, with some guys getting major breakthroughs within just a few weeks. And third, we'll help you reclaim your masculine edge and become your best self. Because fixing marriage issues isn't enough. You need personal growth if you want to really fix this long term, regardless of how your wife contributes to the problems. When you become the kind of man who can actually solve this, everything changes. The blaming stops, the criticism stops, because now you're operating from a place of genuine strength and wisdom. Now, I need to be completely honest with you, brother. We can't help everyone. This program is specifically designed for men who are ready to take immediate action, who understand that if they want to save their family, it's up to them, not guys who just want to pass all the blame onto their wife. We work with men who recognize that they are indeed the problem solver, the action taker, the one who can figure this out, and they're ready to step into that role fully, out of victimhood and into empowerment. But here's what I need you to understand. Every day that you wait is a day that your marriage moves closer to the point of no return. You know this. Every day you delay, your wife's hope that you can figure this out dies a little more. Every day you postpone this decision, she builds more walls. And every day you choose inaction, you're proving to her that maybe you're not the problem solver she thought you were. And brother, I've seen too many good men like you wait until it was too late, until their wife had already checked out emotionally, until she'd given up hope that he could ever become the kind of man who could save their marriage. Please, don't be that guy. The cost of inaction isn't just your marriage, it's your identity as the man who solves problems. It's your relationship with your kids, it's your legacy, it's your sense of self as a man. And if you don't address this now, if you don't fix these cycles, this programming, these themes and conditioning that are driving the dynamics in your marriage, they will follow you. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And this is how good men end up in the exact same position for their second marriage, third marriage, and sometimes even their fourth marriage. Different woman, same patterns. Different house, same problems. Because the common denominator isn't her. It's the unresolved programming, your inner operating system inside of you. Right now, you have a choice. You can close the video and go back to the same patterns that brought you here, hoping somehow things will magically change while she loses more hope every day. Or you can finally become the man who solves this. You got this. The man she's desperately hoping you could become. Below this video, you'll see a button that says apply now. That button isn't just an application. It's your declaration that you're ready to step into your role as the problem solver, that you're ready to become the man who saves his marriage and transforms his life. When you click that button and you fill out the brief application, you'll be invited to a strategy session with us where we'll dive deep into your specific situation, identify the biggest opportunities for you to start repairing your relationship right away, and give you a clear understanding of what's really holding you back. And even if we determine that the Total Breakthrough Academy isn't the right fit for you, you'll walk away with more clarity about your situation than you've had in months. And brother, your marriage can't wait any longer. And more importantly, her hope can't wait any longer. So click that button now, fill out the application, and let's get you on the path to becoming the man who finally solves this. Because brother, you weren't meant to live a life as a bucket with holes. You were meant to be the source of what you seek. You were meant to become the man who figures it out. She's counting on you, even if she can't say it. The transformation starts now. So click the button below and let's begin.